time now is 2016 on Monday the 11th of June 2018. I'm down a bit early actually. This might be for the freight train. So that might be, the freight train might be running early, so that might be why. Right. Oh no, it's not. There's a train up there. Right, this will probably be your early 2027 5 Victor 75 West Midlands Railway service from Stourbridge Junction to Worcester Shrub Hill. One 72342. To Worcester Shrub Hill. That skirt at the top just there is quite loose.